This video will show you around the report that was generated in the previous video. The first thing to note is that there is an Edit Inputs tab at the top of the page. If you click it, you are brought back to the report creation window, so you can always edit how the report was made and rerun it. Also, if you've forgotten what inputs you used to make the report, clicking on Edit Inputs is a good way to remind yourself. It is useful to save the report before doing anything else. Click on the red Save button to provide a title, which is required, and to give it an optional description. You won't have this template option in your account. This is how we, at CAE, make reports for all our clients to see. I'll call this report Scores for All Students, and in the description, I'll write Total, PT, and SRQ scores for all students from all 4 academic years. Then I'll click on the red Save button. You'll notice that on the left-hand menu, there is an entry under Open Reports corresponding to the report you're currently working on. Also, if you were to click on Saved Reports just below that, you would see this report listed among your saved reports. Additionally, the Info tab in your report has the information you just input: title, description, and any other relevant information. There are 3 levels of data: class, institution, and student. Class level data shows you mean scores for the outcome variables you selected for each class level in each academic year that appears in your dataset. For instance, I can verify here that my dataset has freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors from 2013-2014, freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors from 2014-2015, freshmen and sophomores from 2015-2016, and if I click on the Next Page button below, juniors and seniors from 2015-2016, and finally, freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors from 2016-2017. I can resize the columns in this tab, as in the next 2 tabs, by clicking and dragging the vertical lines between columns. I can also reveal more score information, such as counts of scores and minimum and maximum scores, by clicking on the little icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines and selecting options from the window that pops up. I can also click and drag on column headers to reorder the columns. If we had selected, for instance, male students and female students in the filtered groups portion of the report generation, there would be 2 rows for each class level and each academic window, one for the male students and another for the female students. Institution level data pertains to value-added scores. If you test freshmen and seniors in the same academic year, you will have a value-added score displayed, as long as you selected either total score, PT score, or SRQ score as an outcome variable. Note that data analytics does not require that freshmen tested in the fall and seniors tested in the spring in order to obtain value-added scores, although our traditional PDF reports do still have this requirement. Finally, student-level data allows you to see results for individual students. You can download the data as a CSV file, which can be easily imported into Excel or opened as a plain text file. Click on the Download button and choose which level of data you want to download: class, institution, or student.